I don't know.
Almost 5 a.m.
Almost 5
Yeah, say good morning.
Hey, good morning. It's almost 5 a.m.
And what we're doing right now.
Cooking. Obvious.
Ligo na. Good morning, people. It's 5 a.m. Pag muna mong routine everyday, pukaw sa mga bata, maligo, kaya mag-duty pa ko. And I'm cooking the breakfast para may mong malulog. Alright, anyway, it's a great morning. Sorry for pero low ang energy. Niyaging adlaw, nibisita ko sa usa ka lugar na perting tugnawa. Ay, you would love it as in nindot kayo. Tanawa ni. Good morning! Welcome to Bitok University and dili sa ingo nga gusto ta mo pasuyaon. Look at my background. Look at that. Tanawa. Tanawa unsa kanindot ang view and oh my goodness, grabe katugnaw diri. Kabalo ba mo 11 oras na karon? Alas 11:55 sa udto na ha. Pero grabe katugnaw. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is paradise, baby. Woo! Ako diri sa Station 3 sa Bonsetas Fun Rides. Tanawa. Look at that. Kani nga dalan nyo makita kani morning padulong sa Lantapan Road. So gikan og Talakag padulong Lantapan. Ayan. So naganay nga pangagi diri. Oh, simentado na. Dia padulong dito. Ayan. So nagbiyahe mi mga almost 3 hours gikan sa Cagayan de Oro. Pag abot ni mo diri, worth it. Actually na Mount Kalatungan, tapos na dito ang Kitanglad. Madunggan yun ang hangin. So cold. Hapit mo diri, tapos na yung mga cottages. Tapos na food, pwede mapalitan. So nice here.
Who's this pretty blonde chick taking bomb rips? Park Ave, catching a cab the next morning. We party hard last night, I'm fucking exhausted. Headed back to my hood, I'm feeling nauseous. She said someone broke her heart, and now she's cautious.
Grabe katugnaw. I so love it. O para sa atong pamalandong ni Bernie. You know, nagkuwaram na ako, din ako makuha ang exact words, mag-internet tan ako ba, mag-google tan ako para bura ko bright ba, o may internet din, yun na yung signal. Basta, if you dream, reach for the stars. At least, if you fail, you will still land on the moon. Ba? Meaning, kung mangarap lang ka, mangandoy ka kon, taas-in na lang. At least, pag aim ni mo sa taas, at least kung di mo gini mo maabot ang pinakataas, at least sa moon gyapon ka mo landing. O, di ba? Taas gyapon. Kaysa kung mangandoy ka, di ara ka sa clouds, mahulog ka, dito ka sa atop. Di ba? Kaya, katong na yung mga pangandoy dia, sa ilang mga kaugalingon, come on, i-target ang pinakataas. Para at least in kaso, di maabot ang pinakataas. At least naragyapon sa ubos gamay sa pinakataas.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
That's it, people. Don't forget. Dari ni siya sa may kablusay lugar ni pangalan ni Dari, Donggawon. Okay? Naraw, makita ni mo. There. Uy, nasakinan. No. There. You see that? Ayun. Alright, that's it, people. This is so nice. Thank you, Lord, for this great creation. See you, people.
Again.